starts to talk. She's cold right now. When she warms up and the cam starts to mellow out, it'll start doing the old bumping rumping. I'll be the passenger.
Yeah. I'll be right back unless you want to ride.
Go ahead.
All right. Alright, which way should I go?
Probably gonna be easier to take a right to get out of here. I don't know what's up with all them cars today over there. I think they're from across the street, and you can come up here and take a right. And we'll just go down this street here on the right side of the building.
It's right down.
Yeah. I like the way it sounds.
Oh yeah. Boy, it's got some power too.
I wish I drove it before I fixed it, but I just drove it right here around the lot.
It didn't have that kind of power.
So I don't know how to compare it before, but
well, let's see.
I have the same truck, but a Cummins diesel. So mine's a 2500 with the diesel in it.
Yeah. So if I can give you an example.
I was impressed with the gas burner this thing is. It has some torque, and I don't know if it's just mainly from the cam and that 6.4 Hemi, but it's not sluggish like I figured it'd be for a heavy truck, you know.
No, and it's got, I mean, it was good. It had decent.
You just keep going straight down here, and we'll just do a loop around the block.
Okay, it had decent power and stuff, but it was like, okay, if you come out, you get up, you go like that, you get the gas real good.
So this cam, being it's not a huge one, but it's designed for like torque and towing. Okay. So like right here in this area that you're running it in, that 2 to 3500 mark, it produces a ton of torque. So you probably gain with the tuning in this cam at least 50 foot-pounds more, maybe a little more. Take a right here. But yeah, I mean this cam is really for towing, daily use. It's designed for a heavy vehicle, more or less. It's perfect.
This sounds like a heavy vehicle now.
Yeah.
Before it's like, I mean, don't get me wrong.
I'm gonna take a right here when we got a minute. It's not too loud in here for you, is it?
Good Lord, no. This is fine.
I was trying to... He makes 3 different series mufflers, and I was trying to pick one that wouldn't be too crazy for you, so... But between the cam and the exhaust, I think it's like the perfect combo. It's perfect.
Oh, yeah.
For me, at least.
Oh, God, no, I love it. It's great. I'm just curious what the gas mileage is going to...
So, I don't know what you got before.
Uh-huh.
Now, when I drove it up there... without the muffler, which was kind of cool to learn this, with no muffler, I got 14.5.
Okay.
And then coming back down here with a muffler and the tailpipe hooked back up, it got I got just about 16.3, it was saying.
Huh. Okay.
So I don't know what you normally get.
I was normally getting between 14.7 and 15.8.
Okay, so I'm gonna say if you drive like me, because I don't like when I'm driving on the streets, I don't do anything crazy in speed.
Right.
But I was doing about 75, and it was getting 16.3 on the way down here on 85.
Oh, that's sweet. That's
so, and I have a buddy, David Christie, that lives in Kentucky. He's got a Power Wagon, which is basically the same truck with a 6.4,
right,
2500 chassis. And I called him and asked him what he gets, and he was saying he got around that 14-something range. So I was like, well, this truck's doing good with a cam in it then.
Yeah, like I said, if you're just doing your normal stuff, it'll do, you know, in city and stuff like that, 13, 14, 50, right in there, you know. You get on the highway, it was doing, you know, anywhere from 16 to 18.
Right. Cruising,
depending on the conditions, uphill, downhill.
Right.
Gosh, you can't be upset about that.
But yeah, so that's good to know, because like I said, I was able to get just over 16 on the way down there.
Pulling
you
here?
park, yeah, right here might be easier. You just pull up next to the Jeep here.
And I'll get some. Yeah, I'll get some gas.
You just kind of pull right here. That'll work.
Cool. Nice.